Thai project. So let's get started. First of all, before we frying everything, we need to prep ingredients. So we did already Pad Thai sauce in advance. Soak the noodles so you can do both things in advance and also prep. We can prep before. For example, chop shallots, garlic, cubes of the tofu, prep the vegetables, chai and bean sprouts, and sauce, and also shrimp. If you would like the chicken, you can add into that chicken. So with also if you can find dry shrimp, you can add into that authentic Pad Thai. Normally we have it all. So we have dry shrimp, fresh one, and also tofu and egg. So I would like to do the way that we serve it in Thailand. So I'm gonna start frying Pad Thai first, and then I'm gonna do like a present the Pad Thai in the nice way. So let's get started. I start cooking shrimp in here with oil. That's all. So we want shrimp to cook first, and then we're gonna do the noodles. In this one, you can also sprinkle some salt. To let shrimp cook, but be careful. When the shrimp already cooked, I already fry it with the oil. So we bring it out like that. Right now I already add oils and heat the pan to hot. So we're gonna add the shallot, garlic, and stir together. And then also the tofu. So everything together. Also, if you have dry shrimp, we add dry shrimp as well. And we serve radish in here. Everything go in here. I already add the tofu, preserved radish, dry shrimp, shallot, and now we're gonna add the noodles that already soaked. This we doing for one portion. Okay. And now we're gonna add the sauce in here. And then stir together. Stir noodle together. Like that. For one serving. And then when you already add some sauce, the Pad Thai sauce in here, you will sprinkle some spicy red chili flakes in here, and we're gonna add the already vegetables. That's all. Just add vegetable in here and stir together. here we have pad thai and then I will show you how to do the egg omelette. At this point you can add the peanuts, chopped peanuts, but if you you can use the cashew nut as well if you have peanut allergies. So we do like that and check your noodle. Is it soft? So like when you cook pasta, so we check it the thickness of the noodle. Is it soft? So if not soft, you also can add more water and tasting and adjusting. And then here you have pad thai and then I gonna make the egg omelette. Okay. Try to swirl the eggs around the pan like that. And we wait until the egg is cooked through. And then we can bring the omelette, the pad thai to add into that. You can see this side is kind of still a little bit that, but this side is good. So we do like that and then we're gonna add the pad thai in here, or you can bring the omelette up. And now I'm gonna add pad thai into the pan, just plating like that. Like that, spreading around. So shrimp, have everything in there. Have shrimp, have dry shrimp and the tofu noodles, everything. And now we're gonna wrap it, fold it 4 sizes. And now we're gonna fold it 4 sizes like that. But if you small for the eggs or something like that, we just fold it in the plate and it's gonna be easier. So let me do that. Bring the plate here and bring everything here. And then you fold it. 1, 2, 4. the full part because we add a lot of noodles. It's gonna be a little bit. You can bring the noodles out. And fold it on top like that. And I will bring the other plate to come and we go over that. And then after we do that like that, so you just flip over. See? It's already full, but we cannot wrap this one. Is alright, that's okay too. Just cover it like that. And then we're gonna move to this plate. And be like that. And then we wrap over it. Now after we wrap the omelette like that, you just transfer to the serving plates. So if it's not perfect, that's okay. No, we bring to this plate, the serving plate. And we're gonna wrap wrapping up like that. So just gently doing that. And we just make like a cutting like that, crossed, to see inside what we presenting, the Pad Thai, like that, in the package of the omelette. So you can cut as big as you like and open up with the fork like here, and that's what gonna be like that. And then if you want to serve with shrimp or tofu, you just bring the on top. Yeah, just presenting. And I can put also the cilantro leaf or the fresh garnish with the cilantro leaf or some kind of thing on top, like a maybe lamb like that, to put on top. And here you have it. I hope you enjoy this Pad Thai project. Thank you very much for watching.